Maabitha acio maugite thirikari ni ireka uria wothe ingihota niguo kung'ethanira na ng'aragu iyo miena ngurani ya bururi iria yumanite na wagi wa mbura.
What we are saying is that this team that has been put together has come up with a budget, and I repeat, it's a budget of 5 billion. Yeah, it's a consolidated budget. It includes all the areas that Mheshimiwa mentioned: water, education, health, all the areas that would be affected by the drought.
Minister wa wathani wa matura Mwangi Kiunjuri augite uteithio tiganite ni wanjitie gukinyirio aria magumeirwo ni ng'aragu iyo.
Personally, I called a guy called Musa, who is a distributor. I asked him to go and look for more lorries to give us so that we can distribute. We are taking all this measure.
Oho minister wa urimi Willy Bet na augite thirikari ni ikugura mahiu kuma kuri arimi miena iria igumeirwo handu ha mahiu mau makue ni kwaga irio na mai.
So we have funds now to buy animals from the pastoralists, and we are using KMC, ADC and AFC.
Abunge nao moritie thirikari gutigirira uteithio ucio ni wakinyira aria matanyitwo.
Kwa hivyo tunatembea hizo area ili tukirudi tunarudi tukijua tunaongea nini.
Kaunti iria cigomeirwo makiria ni ng'aragu iyo ni Mandera, Wajir, Kilifi, Tana River na miena imwe ya Ikamba-ini. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.